This video is about travel video marketing, and my name is Joni Ogg. We've been marketing on YouTube and other video channels for many years with great success. Our channels host hundreds of training webinars that travel agents still use, proving that some content ages like fine wine rather than milk left in a hot car. However, most travel videos that I stumble across are older, long-form productions, ship reviews, resort walkthroughs, attraction tours, and they're all remarkably similar. Picture this: enthusiastic folks wielding selfie sticks like medieval jousting lances, wandering around with cell phones, narrating their adventures with all the polish of a first-time karaoke singer. And the audio? A delightful cocktail of howling wind, random strangers yelling, PA system announcements, and more. And then TikTok happened. Instagram Reels arrived, YouTube introduced Shorts, and suddenly the entire game changed, and those long-form videos started looking as outdated as a fanny pack at Fashion Week. Though, let's be honest, fanny packs did make somewhat of a comeback, so there is hope for everything. So today, when I search YouTube and encounter these rambling long-form videos, I bail faster than passengers during a cruise ship safety drill. YouTube Shorts are always offered for my keywords, and I choose short form over long form every single time, like choosing an escalator over climbing never-ending stairs. Traditional video marketers in the travel industry are now experiencing a rude awakening. The numbers don't lie. Unlike that photo that you posted from the Maldives that was actually your cousin's pool, short-form video content generates 2.5 times more engagement than traditional long-form video. And users are 1.5 times more likely to make a purchase after watching short clips versus longer content. And for travel advisors, understanding this shift matters because it's changing where your clients look for inspiration and how suppliers are throwing their marketing dollars around. Major hotel chains and tour operators who once invested heavily in sweeping cinematic destination videos, the ones with drone footage set to inspirational piano music, are now redirecting resources toward churning out dozens of 15 to 60-second clips. Carnival Cruise Line recently reported that their short-form content drove 3 times more bookings than their traditional video campaigns. 3 times. That's not a typo. That's a revolution wearing a life jacket. So the challenge for traditional marketers has been brutal. Condense what used to require 3 minutes into 30 seconds while maintaining authenticity and storytelling power. It's like trying to explain Inception in an elevator pitch, technically impossible, but someone's going to be pretty confused. Many have struggled with this compression, initially treating short form as simply chopped up versions of longer content. This approach fails more spectacularly than a cruise ship comedian at a funeral. The platforms reward narrative content that feels spontaneous, unpolished, and genuine rather than overly produced, ironically making it something look effortless, requiring tremendous effort. Kind of like those I woke up like this photos that required 47 takes and 3 filter apps. Smart marketers aren't abandoning long form entirely, they're using short form discovery and awareness while reserving traditional video for deeper engagement and conversion once interest is actually captured. Think of short clips as the handshake and longer content as the conversation that follows. Or, as I like to say, short form is the appetizer and long form is the 5-course meal you only commit to after you're already hooked. And so for travel agents, this evolution creates both opportunity and obligation. Your clients are increasingly discovering destinations through these bite-sized videos, often from influencers rather than traditional suppliers. Yes, That 22-year-old with perfect skin and a suspiciously unlimited travel budget is now more influential than a brochure. Welcome to the future. It's kind of weird here. Understanding this landscape and knowing which creators your clients follow, what platforms they use, and how short-form content shapes their expectations is becoming essential to staying relevant in the conversation. Otherwise, you're the travel equivalent of someone still using a flip phone and wondering why nobody really will text you back. The travel marketers who are thriving aren't fighting the short-form revolution. They're embracing it while remembering that whether the video is 15 seconds or 15 minutes, the fundamental goal remains unchanged. Inspire someone to go somewhere they've never been, preferably somewhere that you can earn a commission on. So we were watching TV and flipping channels when we hit a program, and it was cops, and there was a police dog getting ready to attack a criminal, growling, barking, and otherwise creating a symphony of chaos. Callie, our St. Bernard, launched herself off the couch like a furry missile, ran to the TV, and stood on her back legs to investigate. She watched with the intense focus that we usually see for squirrels and dropped food. And I thought to myself, what if we could create ads that had that level of engagement? Granted, our target audience hopefully doesn't include attacking criminals, but the engagement principle does stand. The first 1 to 3 seconds are critical. If you can't hook the viewer within the first 3 seconds, they'll scroll past you faster than you can say like and subscribe. And they definitely won't think twice about it. Get creative and immediately grab them. Think less gentle introduction and more surprise party in video form. And have a clear and concise message. Your initial hook must align with your video's precise message. Don't bait and switch. That's for fishing, not marketing. And reduce your message down to one specific crystal clear thought. And if you can't explain it to a St. Bernard, it's too complicated. Get to the point. It astounds us that so many short-form video experts include lengthy intros and desperate pleas for likes and shares, follow requests, and more promotional fluff than a Black Friday mattress sale. Nothing is going to kill engagement faster than this nonsense, especially if you plop your long-form bumper intro onto a short video. Be authentic. Authentic emotion and movement work together to create short-form videos that feel alive and compelling. The key is letting genuine reactions drive your physical presence. If you're excited, let that energy explode through animated gestures and quick movements. If you're delivering something heartfelt, slow down and use subtle, deliberate motions that draw viewers in. Avoid stiff, scripted delivery by speaking as you would to a friend, like a human being having an actual conversation. Allow natural pauses, facial expressions, and body language to punctuate your points. If you look like a news anchor who swallowed a broomstick, you're doing it wrong. Have a compelling call to action. You've captured your viewer's attention, delivered a clear and concise message, and have immediately gotten to the point in an authentic and emotional environment. Don't ruin it now by morphing into a used car salesman at the finish line. Your call to action should flow naturally and feel authentically helpful, like a friend offering directions, not a pushy timeshare pitch in Cancun. The optimum CTA offers the viewer the next logical step to obtain more information, should they want to pursue it with no urging, no pressure, and no desperation. Think helpful suggestion, not hard sell. If your CTA sounds like it needs an exclamation point and 3 fire emojis, dial it back at least 40%. Using popular or trending sound in your short-form videos and reels can also significantly boost your reach. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube often push content that uses trending audio, helping your video get discovered by more people, even beyond your current followers. And remember, in the attention economy, you're competing with cat videos, celebrity gossip, cooking videos, and the AI videos of sharks chasing massive tuna aboard fishing boats. Choose your battles wisely, keep it short, and may your engagement rates be ever in your favor. Thank you for watching this short video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Just give it a like or a share if you have. And when you want to learn when we have more tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.